Come with me as I do another pumpkin patch for my kids' school. So my son is so cool. He gets to attend this field trip and ride on the big bus. It was his first time riding the big bus, and I actually just followed suit. I didn't ride on the bus with them because I did not want to chaperone. And we went all the way to Petaluma. We were gonna go to Brentwood, but the area, it rained and it was so muddy, so we had to opt for another location, which was great because in this location they had a bunch of things to do. They had a corn pit. They also had toys for farm animals that my son loved to play with. There was also a bunny pen, which was great for the kids, not for the bunnies. The bunnies were terrified. But I really love that there were so many parents that showed up for their kids. And that's what I love being a part of this community, is that there's just so many parents that showed up and was there to, just take the time and be with their kids, because that's what being a mom is all about. After my son ate, we explored the vicinity some more. So they had this haystack that was also kind of like a corn maze. And so we did a little bit of the maze, and then he got bored and decided to climb with some of his classmates. He's just so cute, you guys. I love being his mom. Anyway, so once he started walking the maze, after that we tried to pick out some pumpkins. We played life-size Jenga for a bit, and then the pumpkin patch was you guys can take one big pumpkin or two small ones. So we opted for a nice big one to take home since we had so many already. And that was it. And then we were back home to the Bay Area. It was a great day, and I'm glad that you guys stayed to watch it. Thank you.